Uh, uh.
So yo Sumish, कैसे आप सब लोग? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to tell you the uh, top best games if you are beginner to playing Roblox. Okay, and ignore my mom. She is sitting and on behind me, so ignore it. And oh, sorry, wait a second. My AirPods battery is now low. Sorry, and I want to show you something. See, I have changed my logo. Alright, I've changed my logo to a new logo because I shared a poll. Well, which logo do I choose? Okay, so you guys choose. It's okay, and you guys choose this logo. Sorry, it's opening. Sorry for it. Sorry for time pass. I'm so time pass. I'm so time pass. See this thing. Oh, see, you guys choose this. Oh, sorry. So I have changed the logo. Oh, sorry. What? 100. Yes, I have changed the logo to this logo. Okay. So now let's return. And today I'm going to tell you the best top games to play in Roblox if you are a beginner. Let's go. So, uh, firstly, you have to choose the right game. Means factors you have to consider while choosing a game. Which type of game is? Uh, like you if you like adventure, building, racing, or something else, and you have to find those type of games. And in popularity, uh, popul- popular games usually have a larger player base. Means the popular games have many players in it. That means more players to play with. Means you can become friends of some players, and they can be your friends, so it would be nice. And now the second topic, review. Read reviews from other players in the game. When you go down on the page section, you will see the reviews from the players. From this you can feel the game's quality and see if it's aligned with your preferences. You can see it, do this game suit for you? And now top picks for beginner Robloxers, means beginner players. So the first game is Adopt Me. It is a popular life simulator that lets you adopt a pet and care to it. It's a virtual pet. It's a fun and casual. It's a very fun game. I've played it 2 3 times, and it's a casual game and perfect for anyone who is looking for a friendly environment. And now the second one is Bloxburg. If you enjoy building and decorating, Bloxworks lets you create your dream home and live a virtual life. Means Bloxburg is like Minecraft. Uh, it's like a Minecraft. It's cheaper Minecraft. Uh, it helps you to build and decorate, and and be also useful for you if you want to design a home for you in real life. So it will be also useful, and it lets you to live in a virtual world of your own. And now the third and last game is Jailbreak. This this is an action-packed game. Puts you in a role of either a cop or a criminal, offering exciting changes and strategic gameplay. Means it is a game that has too much action packed in it. It gives you a role like a cop, a police officer, or a criminal. Uh, that is in a jail, offering exciting means it gives you exciting changes and strategic games. You have to you have to oh sorry you have to come with very strategies to escape if you are criminal, and if you are a cop you will have exciting chases. And firstly, if you have choose the game, and let me tell you a game if you want parkour, means it is a bad and Barry is a very famous game, and it has too much of means parkour things and escape things. Uh, if you will have three modes: easy, hard, and impossible. These mo First is easy, that is even hard if you are beginner and you do not do parkour very well, so that is also hard for you. But I have unlocked hard mode and never gone on the impossible. And there is second mode in in the Barry prison run. It's the alien base. It's also a very exciting and if you want the action game, means FPS game, it is rival. It lets you fight with your friends 1v1 and fight with others, etc. etc. Okay, so now getting started with your chosen game. The game you have chosen from the is pick topics or from yourself. First, getting started. Tutorials and guides. First point is tutorials and guides. Most Roblox game offers built-in tutorial. Means most of the games have built-in tutorials that you can do and check how to play. And you can and we also skip tutorials if you know the game, and or you can find helpful guides online. Means you can google the a game and check how to play it. And the second point, join a group. Means you have to join the a group of that game, means of that community is related that is related to your chosen game. It can help you to connect with other players. Means it will have many players that will chat, so you can connect with other players and find advice. You can and ask them how to play it. So that's join a group. And then the third and last one, practice experiment. You have to the best way to learn the game is by playing. Don't be afraid to oh, sorry, sorry, that was my mom, and sorry, she has gone, sorry. And now you have to practice and experiment. The best way to learn is by playing. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. So like if you are playing any other game and you are very afraid to play the mode or your rank will be down, but don't be afraid to experiment anything. You cannot play, means you will not have fun if you will be afraid. So now, tips for mastering Roblox. Use the catalog. Catalog is a trove of items you can purchase to customize your avatar and your experience. Means if you go in the Roblox section, it will offer you many characters. Means many characters, skins, objects, etc. etc. That you can wear, and you can change your avatar. You can purchase it, and now join the Roblox community. You can join the Roblox committee in Discord or uh, in the game. It will help you in engage with other players, informs on social media or even within in the game themselves. So this will be very useful for you. And then the third and last one. Sorry for my mom is behind. Sorry. And now the third and last point is have fun. Roblox is a platform built for fun and exploration. Roblox is a platform that is built for fun, and don't get discouraged if you are struggling. Like if you're playing Blocks Fruits, it's also a very a famous game. And if you are discouraged, if you are struggling very much, but you cannot grade your level, don't be discouraged. Just keep playing and enjoy the experience. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video. And so bye bye and have a great time.
Yeah.